Good morning, ma'am. My name is NG Badri Narayan. I am going to speak on the topic position of hydrogen in the periodic table from chapter 9 Hydrogen. Position of hydrogen in the periodic table. Hydrogen is represented by the symbol H. Its atomic number is 1. In some of its properties, it shows resemblance with alkali metals, while in some others, it resembles with halogens. However, in some properties, it differs from both, which are shown below. First, resemblance with alkali metals. Second, resemblance with halogens. First, we will see resemblance with alkali metals. Hydrogen resembles with alkali metals, that is, with elements of group 1 of the long form of the periodic table in the following respects. Electronic configuration. The electronic configuration of hydrogen is 1s power 1, which is same as the outer electronic configuration of alkali metals. Example: hydrogen 1s power 1, lithium 1s power 2, 2s power 1, sodium 1s power 2, 2s power 2, 2p power 6, 3s power 1. Electropositive nature. Just like alkali metals, hydrogen readily loses its one and only electron to form hydrogen ion, that is H+, which is also called proton. It shows that it is an electropositive element. Valency and oxidation state. Hydrogen exhibits +1 oxidation state in most of its compounds, just like alkali metals. Combination with electronegative elements or nonmetals. Like alkali metals, hydrogen combines with electronegative elements like halogens, oxygen, sulfur to form halides, oxides, and sulfides, respectively. Oxide, hydrogen, water like sodium oxide, potassium oxide, etc. Halides, hydrochloric acid like sodium chloride, potassium chloride, etc. Sulfide, hydrogen sulfide like sodium sulfide, potassium sulfide, etc. Reducing nature. Like alkali metals, it is a good reducing agent and reduces several metal oxides into metal. Second, resemblance with halogens. In the following characteristics, hydrogen resembles with halogens, that is, elements of group 17, like fluorine, chlorine, bromine, and iodine. Electronic configuration. Like halogens, hydrogen requires only one electron to achieve the nearest inert or noble gas configuration. Example: hydrogen have one electron less than helium. Fluorine have one electron less than neon. Electronegative character. Like halogens, hydrogen also have a tendency to accept one electron to form an negative hybrid ion. Ionization enthalpy. The ionization and enthalpy of hydrogen is quite closer to halogens but much higher as compared to alkali metals. Combination with metals and oxidation state. Like halogens, hydrogen combines hydrogen exhibits one oxidation state, just like halogens. Nature of compound. Like halogens, it generally forms covalent compounds when combined with nonmetals. Liberation at anode. Like halogens, hydrogen is liberated at anode when hydrides, generally alkali metal hydrides, in the form of aqueous solution or in molten state, are subjected to electrolysis. Now, the properties are properties different from alkali metals as well as halogens. Although in many respects hydrogen resembles with alkali metals and halogens, but there are some properties also in which hydrogen differs from the elements of both the groups. These characteristics are as follows: electropositive and electronegative character. Hydrogen is less electropositive than alkali metals and less electronegative than halogens. That is, its tendency to form H plus ion is much lesser than that of alkali metals. Similarly, its tendency to form H minus H negative ion is much lesser than that of halogens. Size of ions. The size of proton or hydrogen ion H plus is much lesser than the normal range of size, which is 50 to 200 pm. Thus, H plus never exists freely and is always associated with other atoms or molecules. Example: in water, H plus exists as hydronium ion. Nature of oxides. The oxides of alkali metals are generally basic, while those of halogens are generally acidic. Oxide of hydrogen, that is, water, H2O, is however neutral. Conclusion. From the above discussion, it is obvious that hydrogen is unique in its behavior and cannot be placed with alkali metals or halogens. That is, its position in the periodic table is anomalous, hence, it is best placed separately in the periodic table. Thank you, ma'am.